Oh my god, man. I really need to sort out. How am I in fucking baby gear again? Let's go. Fuck the weekend. It's anxiety. It's depression. Fuck off with the camera. Bro! Fuck! I've got links, don't worry. Bruh. Every time. Fuck the weekend. Bullshit. Fucking hell. You go to fucking Rev's bike park for 7 hours. None of this happens. You come to the weekend once. Your fucking chain tool breaks, your chain breaks. I broke my chain tool now. Bent the fucking metal bit. Another episode of Kyle's bike repair. All I'm getting at the minute is depression and anxiety. Do I get a partition protect? Partition protect? Fuck! I can't even speak. Participation.